Xero versus Zoho Books, which has better tax calculations? This is the burning question many business owners are asking, and today we'll break down these two popular accounting solutions to see how their tax features compare. Stick around, because I'll also share the best alternative at the end that I personally prefer. You won't want to miss that. First thing you'll notice is that both Xero and Zoho Books are powerful cloud-based accounting software, but when it comes to tax calculations, there are a few key differences. Xero has a solid reputation for its tax capabilities, particularly in countries like the UK, Australia, and New Zealand, where it's especially tailored for local tax regulations. Their tax engine supports various tax rates, like VAT, GST, and sales tax, and the platform is good at handling complex tax scenarios, including multi-currency transactions. But here's where things can get tricky. It lacks some in-depth automation when it comes to tax reports, which can lead to manual adjustments for businesses with more complex needs. Next thing, Zoho Books also offers robust tax features, but it's more geared towards small businesses or users who need something a bit simpler. The platform supports multi-currency taxes, VAT, GST, and sales tax, just like Xero, but it offers more straightforward options for automated tax calculations. One of Zoho Books' strengths is its ability to set up taxes for products and services easily. However, it falls short when dealing with multiple tax jurisdictions, something Xero does a bit better. If your business operates in multiple countries with different tax systems, Zoho Books can sometimes feel a bit limiting. The third thing to consider is the reporting. Xero provides detailed reports, but as I mentioned before, it requires more manual tweaking for tax compliance. In contrast, Zoho Books offers a simple tax summary with its reports, which some users love for its ease of use. But if you need more advanced customization or reports that can handle a wide array of tax situations, Xero pulls ahead here. That said, Zoho Books does have a simpler interface, which can be a huge win if you're a smaller business with basic needs. The fourth thing to point out is how both platforms integrate with tax filing services. Xero, being a bigger player globally, has better integrations with tax filing systems in more countries. Zoho Books, while offering integrations, can be somewhat limited based on your region. So if you need tax filing integrations, Xero might have a slight edge in global coverage, especially if you're in a country where tax laws are particularly complex. Now, let's talk about pricing. Both platforms are reasonably priced, with Xero being a bit on the higher end, especially when it comes to its more advanced tax features. Zoho Books, on the other hand, is known for offering great value, especially for small businesses. But remember, just because it's cheaper doesn't mean it's always the better choice, especially when you factor in that tax complexity we talked about earlier. So, here's the deal. Both Xero and Zoho Books are solid options for managing taxes, but they each have their limitations. Xero is great for businesses with more complex tax needs and multiple regions, but it can get expensive. Zoho Books is a more affordable option, especially if you're a small business with simpler tax scenarios, though it might not cut it for companies with complex tax requirements. After trying both platforms myself, I found a better alternative for those of you looking to really simplify tax calculations while getting all the functionality you need. If you're serious about streamlining your taxes, you should definitely check out the software linked in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. Don't miss out.